Joey.
And my name is Muira. And this
is
is Prom Tips and Tricks. Here's the tip. Sit at the right table. You're going to be table 7.
Thank you.
There's a right and wrong way to prom pose. Don't do this.
Muira.
No. Yes! Here's how you should dance at prom. Here's how you should not dance at prom. Make sure you have a comfortable pair of shoes in case your feet start to hurt.
That dance floor is crazy. I should have brought a second pair of shoes.
I don't have money for a tuxedo. I don't have my tuxedo yet.
Always have a safe ride home. Here are some things that you should wear to prom. Don't wear something like this. Okay. Ryan, I need you to dance.
Ryan, just
Ryan,
snap.
I need you to dance.
Just go.
Yeah.
Wait, no, I don't like that. Wait.